Here's a 2019 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Bold, brilliant, and good-looking, it is built to take you farther for less. It comes with great features you love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend explains that engineers work tirelessly to tune and improve every exterior bit in the name of aerodynamic efficiency. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Ford. We're conveniently located between 41st Street and 55th Street Northwest on Highway 52 in Rochester, Minnesota.